morning, I'm Adrienne from Mum's House Party. This morning we are doing a quick speed clean. Kitchen behind me is a mess, everywhere in the house is a mess. So I'm going to do a quick speed clean, show you the products I use, where all the homes are for everything, how we declutter in the household. Been a bit lax the last couple of days, been busy at work. So it's built up over the last couple of days and we've got to get it really, really nice and decluttered again. Come with me on my journey. So it was bin day yesterday. What I'm doing here is just emptying the bin buckets as such and giving them a good old wash around and then putting the liners back in, clearing everything out off the worktop and putting things back in the dishwasher to wash that night, getting rid of toys on the worktop. Everything on the microwave sort of stays there. That's the only messiest place in the kitchen. Getting rid of egg box into the other recycling box, popping the stuff back in the fridge from breakfast time. What I'll do is I'll quickly wash up a few hand items that can't go in the dishwasher, and then I'll spray down with my method, which is watermelon flavour actually. Pop bits and pieces back from the night before and wipe down the worktops. Once I've wiped them down with a cloth, I'll wipe over with a tea towel just to shine them up a bit. Put stuff away that's been left out in the corner. Our worktops seem to make marks if you don't dry stuff off. So there's last night's Halloween pumpkin. Everything just gets moved from one place to another in the kitchen until it's all done really. Wipe over the hob, get that nice and shiny and dry that off again with a tea towel just to get that shine back. This is William's downstairs toy area, so everything, all the toys go in the boxes in the IKEA unit there, and then it's just a case of plumping back the cushions and putting things back that don't belong there, and then I just give that carpet a really good hoover. It's quite a deep pile so everything gets stuck in there, and then a quick whiz around the kitchen, just hoovering bits I can see, nothing major. So then it's on to the utility room, clearing things away, all the underwear and sorting that. I've got my ironing basket there on the left hand side. That just sits there until I can get round to it. The iron sits in the top cupboard away from William, getting rid of everything on the areas, putting that all away. And then hoovering the floor because it gets quite dusty in there from all the clothes and the tumble dryer. And then this is what it looks like generally on a day-to-day basis. I don't like it to get too messy, it stresses me out, so this is it finished. It's then on to the downstairs toilet. The bathrooms are cleaned on a Monday. I use Harpic in the toilet just as a quick everyday thing. So that goes down the bowl in the toilet and I'll leave that to soak while I'm upstairs doing the bits upstairs. The hallway generally is just picking up bits and pieces that have been left laying around, the post that's come in that day, stuff that William's dragged out of the toy cupboard. Then in the snug there, the study, we just push the chair in and fluff the cushion. That's all we do in there today. Then in the lounge, just picking stuff up that William's brought in, plumping up the cushions, binning the rubbish that he's also brought into the room. That basket I'll take round the house and collect the toys, and then they get put back into the toy cupboard in the basket. It's easy. This is our front hallway. It's always kept clear. There's always never anything in there. I just spotted a pair of shoes just sitting there, so they'll go in our shoe cupboard, which is just around the corner, which we just had built. So if you open the door, on the left hand side is all the coats and on the right hand side is all the shoes, and it's generally kept tidy in an organised fashion with a little bit of extra space for other things. Then it's on to the main bathroom upstairs. This is it. It's cleaned on a Monday, deep cleaned on a Monday, so it's a case of taking the cups out from the morning's bath, moving all the toys out of there and tidying them up, as well as his bedroom. So everything is dumped in a huge hurry to go to school. So I'm going to make his bed, pick up everything off the floor, which is mainly Lego and games. Pick up all the cushions off the floor and put those back on the chair, and then all of the books that are laid on the floor there, they go all back into the baskets, and pick up all the dirty washing and that goes in the laundry basket. Open the window because it's a bit of a stinker. Move the mat. Oh, and spiders. So this is the main bedroom. We don't really get any mess in here at all apart from having to make the bed, so I just refreshen the bed up, move any cutlery and things that have been left in there, and then give it a quick hoover because it gets quite dusty in there. This is the ensuite to the main bathroom, so I just take the cups out of there from the morning cups of tea and then wipe over the sink just with a cloth really quickly. Nothing major because the deep cleaners goes on a Monday. So just to keep things nice and tidy and shiny, just go over it with a microfiber cloth. No chemicals, just water. And then I'll go in and hoover the floor as well because that gets quite dusty during the week, just to keep on top of that. And that's the main bedroom done really. There's not a lot of furniture in there and everything gets a polish at the weekend. So the skirting boards in the hallway and on the stairs get quite dusty all of the time, so I quickly use the Dyson handheld just to zoom over the skirting boards and the light switch and alarm box. And on top of the picture frames as well, because they collect a lot of dust in that hallway because it's a main entrance. And then last but not least, I give the carpets a little bit of a squirt with the Carpet Fresh just in the kitchen because it seems to pick up a lot of smells from the cooking. So that's me done for today. A quick power hour taken down to about 6 minutes on this video. That's it, the power hour done. I hope you enjoyed my speed clean. Just enough for if guests come round, I'll be happy for them to go in any room. Dusted, beds made, washing away, and all the toys decluttered. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next vid.